today I have a very special unboxing. I think you can already tell from the size. Let's get into the unboxing. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is SALISA. I'm addicted to luxury goods, accessories, makeup, skincare, self-care, and I'm going to rehab soon. Today I have a very special unboxing. But before we go there, I have a lot of updates for you because I've been gone for a long time. If you want to go straight to the unboxing, I have the timestamp. Just a few life updates. I've been gone for months because I've been super busy with work. I own a minimal clothing brand line called SALISA as well. I went to New York Fashion Week with launching my new collection, and I have so much preparation months before that. Therefore, I'm not on YouTube, but I haven't disappeared from Hermes. I still go there almost every month, but my visits are a bit shorter, and also I think because I have a lot more work, I'm spending a little bit less. This baby right here is something that I got, but I've been anticipating this one. And oh, by the way, I also got engaged in New York. Yes, my boyfriend asked me. So in one trip, my boyfriend proposed to me. I also had the New York Fashion Week. I did the shoot in New York and also came back to Bangkok and also launched our newest collection, which I'm super excited for. Enough about me rambling. Before we start unboxing this baby, I'm just gonna tell you straight away that this is my special order. So I requested this bag and my SA said it's very difficult to get, so he suggested I do a special order, and this special order was in April 2023 and I just got it. Well, technically now when the video is up it's gonna be October, but I got this in September 2024, so it's been a long while. And the price increase from last year, I also had to pay the 2024 price, but I originally had to do a deposit in 2023, but the final price is a 2024 back price, just in case you don't know that. And also for the special order, it depends on when you're doing the order. I'll have a photo insert right here of when I was there. I was actually afraid to film everything, so I just took a few photos of my special order. There was a box of a lot of leathers for you to pick from, and I'll get into that when we open this baby together. So okay, I'm sorry again for rambling. I haven't done this for a while, so I'm sorry about that. Let's get into the unboxing. I think you can tell because the box is really small. We have the card and the highlight. I think you can already tell from the size. It is a Kelly Mini or Kelly 20 in Gris Pearl, in chef leather, and in permabrass hardware. Look at that. It's kind of like a light champagne gold, I would say, but I think this is like perfect for when I want to mix and match like gold jewelry or silver jewelry. And look at my ring with the bag and my nails. Like honestly, everything is matching. I'm super excited. Okay, let me open her up and put the straps on her. So here is the Kelly Mini opened up, and on the inside I picked black. I'm gonna have an insert anyways, but I just want to make sure that it's different from the outside and you can't really see scratches from the inside. And there's a slit pocket right here. I don't think you can see because it's black. And let me put the straps on. The one thing that I would say that when I did the unboxing in the store, this was really difficult to put in and out, so I think I'm only gonna do this once because it's very difficult. I think to put on it's very easy, but to take it off it needs like a little bit of practice and to get the angle right. So she's on a strap. I would definitely do mod shots for you, but let me give you my thoughts on the Kelly Mini first. Originally I wanted like Epsom because everyone was going for Epsom, and I see on like the the market that the Epsom leather or like in Nata or in Cray, they do really well, but I don't plan on selling this bag. like it's my special order, and I got an Hermes wallet in the dark gray in Chef, and I'll put a photo right here. And I really enjoyed it. I really like the texture, and I feel like when you do dents or scratches, it doesn't go in like Epsom does. Like, you know how people say that when you wear Epsom, if you have a really hard dent, they won't come back. But this one, I feel like the grain is very fine. It's not like Togo. It still has structure, and it has this shininess to it that Epsom doesn't have. I feel like Epsom is just matte, and it's like Saffiano leather that we all know. But the Chef leather is just very, very fine, and when you carry it, it gives off that, you know, luxurious rich girl look, I would say. And it is actually a lot smaller than I thought, but I knew it's gonna be small, and I got a back insert too, but I don't know what will fit, so we'll see together. And right here there is the horseshoe stem where it's gonna say that this is also a special order. And as you can see, for the hardware, this is in permabrass, which is kind of a light champagne gold. Here on the inside, it's not super gold, which is really pretty for me because I like mixing hardwares together, and it is the same for the buckle on the side as well. It's all like permabrass, which is so pretty. But I think the feet is still gold. Yeah. And here are the measurements of this bag. I'll just put the measurements right here. It is just so small and so cute. Let me give you some mod shots. Here is some mod shots of the bag. I am 163 centimeters tall, and I'm like a small to medium girl, and here's what the bag looks like when you're holding. It's like so cute, and I think it's great for going out or like going to formal events. The strap is quite short. It is 85 centimeters, and this is a standard for mini Kelly. And for special order, of course, you can make it longer, but I like it short. So this is what it looks like on the side. I think it's so cute. And then this is what it looks like crossbody. It's quite short, but I think being expensive bag, it should be in front of me, so I make sure it's close to my body. Or if I put it to the back, I think this is a great height, and even on the side, it doesn't feel uncomfortable. Maybe if I wear like a lot of layers, it will feel uncomfortable, but I think if I wear a lot of layers, I would put this in the front, and it's also really easy access to the bag as well, like just like that. So here's the mod shots. Before we go into what's in the bag, let me just have my coffee. And I got a bag insert. This one is from Samorga, and guess what? I ordered this since April 2023. So the moment I made this special order, I ordered the back insert right away, because you know, people say they get their bags like 6 months, a year, 2 years. I don't know, I just want to make sure that I'm prepared. So I already have some like silicone feet to protect the feet, and also the insert. So let's see what fits inside the bag. Here we have a close-up of the bag just for you to see one more time. This is the permabrass hardware with gris pearl. This is in Chef leather, and also inside I picked all black, and now you can see that there is one pocket here inside. But I do have an insert, so we'll see how much this bag fits. So let me put the insert inside first, because I don't want to stretch my bag when I put the insert after. So this is what it looks like on the inside, so that I can actually see some things on the inside. I picked back because I just want it to be different from the outside, but oh my god, look at that. I think for this bag, obviously I will be putting like only cards. I wouldn't be bringing a card holder, and I think I will definitely put this in the back pocket right here. Other than that, I will try to bring all the small stuff, so like my inhaler, my Mario lipstick, my lip liner. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. I like the mini one, but of course I cannot live without my AirPods, so that needs to go in there. I have my car keys and I cannot get a smaller version, so my car keys needs to go in there as well. Obviously, this would probably not fit my phone, so I'm not gonna put my phone in, or I'll just usually have it in my hand. And lately, I carry around this gadget, so it's like my phone stand and also this like sticky thing on the wall for my contents. I hope this fits. So I'll just put this there. I also have my alcohol spray right here, which I think it won't close, so I need to put it like that. And here is my lash extension comb. I also have this in my bag all the time too. So I think that is pretty much it, what I need. And let's see if it closed, because I know that if you put a lot of stuff in there, it doesn't quite close. Like when I see other people put too much stuff and it doesn't close, and I feel bad for the bag. Okay, this one closes easily, and here you can see it protrudes a little, so I think I need to kind of edit, but I think it's fine because it's not protruding so much. And that is what fits in the bag. Actually, I'm pretty surprised of what fits inside the bag. Let's test the phone. Well, here everything is out except my cards in the back. I want to see if I can fit my phone. I have the 16 Pro Max, so it's the biggest phone. I don't think it will work with this back insert, so let me take the insert out and let's see if I can put in the 16 Pro Max. Okay, it does fit. It fits quite easily, and I have this MagSafe case, so yeah, it fits and it closed too. But I don't know if I can put other stuff in, so I need to put this like right in the front or right in the back, because here on the side it will definitely stretch out my bag. I don't want that to happen, so I think this needs to be figured out later on when I try to use this bag. But I would probably not recommend to put your phone in, only if it is in the 16 Pro, not the max size. This is the max. I don't recommend putting it in the bag. Pre-spend of this bag, it is a little tricky because when I was doing my pre-spend, I was doing it for something else. Like I was aiming for a Kelly 25, but not knowing when this will come in, because I mean, I never know when this will come in, and you do need to do pre-spend for your special order. At least in my store here in Bangkok. I don't know about other stores, but my pre-spend was deducted when I received this bag. And if you want to know how much I spent for this bag, please let me know down below, so I'll do a next clip of what I spent as a pre-spend before I got this bag. I would say it's lower than I expected for a Kelly Mini, but I don't know if it's because a special order, because I put in a deposit as well. I don't know. Just let me know down below if you want to know. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!